Hello everyone. We are going to use NVIDIA NIM APIs for free model usage on OpenCode. I will show you how to create API keys and how to use that in OpenCode so you can code freely without any limits. So go ahead and open your browser and click on Google and go search NVIDIA NIM APIs. Right. Once you open that first link, you will land on build.nvidia.com. Once you go here, you can log in if you have account. If you do not have the account, you can still type your email and it will go to sign up page. So go ahead and log in. As I already have account, I'm going to get logged in right away. After that, you can click on models to check which for free models you have to use. Right now we have new model NIM 3.5 Lightning 30B that is also free to use. Okay, let's create the API key that we are going to use in OpenCode. So click on your user icon. You can click on API keys. Already have few API keys created. Now we are going to generate new API key that can be used in our OpenCode. So I'm going to name the key OpenCode. You can set the expression as well. Then let's copy this key and let's open OpenCode and go to settings, go to providers, scroll down and other providers and search for NVIDIA and paste the API key, continue. Now go ahead back into the model. Alright, we are going to search for NVIDIA models over here, or you can search them by their names directly from the website. Like here I'm going to search the NVIDIA's model. Once you do that, you can create the new chat and start testing that, as I'm going to do it right now. I think that covers for how to connect NVIDIA NIM free APIs to our OpenCode for coding and other purposes. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.